Hello traders, and welcome to Trading the Trend. I am Dennis, and this is a look at my top strong week trades for the week ending November 3rd. And let's get right into it. Strong week rankings. As you can see, nothing has changed. U.S. dollar has remained strongest currency for the second straight week, as the New Zealand dollar has remained weakest currency. But no real movement here. It's just been a week of consolidation. The dollar has even pulled back a little bit, and we'll see that as we get into our charts. And the first one I want to look at is the trade that I'm most excited about, and this is not even a top strong week trade. This is the Euro US dollar. This is this head and shoulders that we've been watching. We had the break last week, and this whole week was just a consolidation sideways. We finished the week almost to the pip where we ended the previous week. So with a pretty good down engulfing candle on Friday, I would expect some continuation for this thing to resume its downward movement. Our first target is down here at 113. We should have the 200-day moving average up there by the time price gets down here, and that will offer some strong support, and we'll have to see what happens from there. Now let's look at some of our top strong week trades, and we'll start with the current strong week trade, which is New Zealand US dollar. And you can see we hit our low point, or our high point for our pip total last week at 251, and this week's just been a bit of a pullback, nothing major. This thing could easily turn around and head lower from here. Same situation with the other US dollar trades. The US dollar CAD, we hit a high of 400 pips the previous week, and then this week it's just been a little bit of a pullback. The other US dollar strong week trade we're watching is the dollar and Swiss franc. We hit our high of 224 pips. It pulled back. Now this one's looking like it's more likely to head higher than the other two. So this one could be a one to stick with, especially seeing how the euro looks to be weakening. Next one I'm going to look at is some of the pound trades. Now the pound was strong early in the week, and then it weakened late in the week. First one we'll look at is the pound Swiss franc. If I can find it here, there it is. Okay, so we had a nice run up early in the week. We hit a high of 393 pips, and then a pretty hard pullback on Thursday, and then just a tiny bit of a move on Friday. So we'll have to watch this one. That's a pretty good pullback, so this move might be over. We'll have to see what continuation we see. Same situation with the pound Aussie dollar. We hit a high of we hit a high on Wednesday of 394 pips, but then a huge pullback. We actually retraced this entire 394 pip move in just 2 trading days. Then we had a little bit of a reprieve on Friday, but not too sure about this one. So these pound trades are pretty much in doubt. If you haven't taken your profits already, I would be very cautious at this point. And the US dollar is one I'm most excited about in the coming week, and that is what I have for you for this week. So we'll keep an eye on all these, and you can catch updates with these trades and more on my thread as we go through the week. So hopefully everyone has a great rest of your weekend, and I will catch you later.